Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Alright, so we're doing this video on I am trying to replace the shifter on my 2010 Highlander. And I was obviously, as you can see, there's a couple of things that's removable from the top. The rings around the cup holders are removable from the top. However, the panel itself, the false wood panel itself, you will not be able to remove it from the top without unscrewing it from the bottom, which pretty much you would have to take the side panels off to do it. And to take the side panels off, there's a couple of, I did take this off before, there's a couple of screws on the bottom to take it off. I don't know why they did it this way. Could have just had these pop-ins all over, particularly the center part of it, but popped it. I popped it because I actually thought that this was just a pop-in, but it's not, because I'm feeling a screw underneath it. Anyway, regardless, it's not a big deal at this point because I'm actually trying to get this car to put it into park. So I'm changing up a new shifter that I actually bought. So I'm gonna go through all the things that I am going to go through the portions as far as me taking this off right now. But stay tuned. I'm gonna do this in separate video, guys. If you guys are because I didn't see a video of any of this. Like, I don't know why. This car is pretty popular, except for the fact that people don't put up videos. I mean, I'm gonna assume that this car doesn't break down too much on any of the parts. That's why there's not a lot of videos up. But regardless, stay tuned.